Question number 16. 3 kg mangoes are consumed at Janagarbhai's home daily in summer. If the cost of 1 kg mango is rupees 80, then how much money does he spend daily for mangoes? Answer. Mangoes consumed daily is equal to 3 kg. Cost of 1 kg mango is rupees 80. Money spent daily is equal to 3 into 80, that is equal to rupees 240. 16a. How much money does he spend in 1 week? Money spent daily is equal to rupees 240. Number of days in a week is equal to 7. Money spent in a week, 7 into 240, that is equal to rupees 1680. Question 16b. How much money does he spend in 1 month? Answer. Money spent daily is equal to rupees 240. Number of days in a month is equal to 30. Money spent in a month, that is equal to 30 into 240, is equal to rupees 7200. Question number 17. If the weight of a box of mangoes is 12 kg, then what is the weight of 20 such boxes? Answer. Weight of a box of mangoes is equal to 12 kg. Weight of 20 boxes, that is equal to 12 kg into 20, that is equal to 240 kg. Question number 17a. 1 mango weighs 200 gram. Then how many mangoes are there in 1 box? Answer. Weight of 1 mango is equal to 200 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 12 kg is equal to 12 into 1000 gram, that is equal to 12,000 gram. Number of mangoes in a box is equal to 12,000 gram divided by 200 gram is equal to 6. Question number 18. There are 42 students in a classroom and we distribute 3 mangoes to each student. If there are 18 mangoes in 1 basket, then how many baskets will be needed? Answer. Number of students in a classroom is equal to 42. Mangoes distributed to each student is equal to 3. Total mangoes needed, that is equal to 42 into 3 is equal to 126. Number of mangoes in a basket is equal to 18. Number of baskets needed is equal to 126 divided by 18, that is equal to 7. Question number 19. Answer the following questions on the basis of the table given below. Now look at the table. Type of vehicles: a bullock cart, a tempo rickshaw, a tractor, a truck. Capacity to carry mangoes in 1 trip: 200 kg, 700 kg, 1000 kg, 6000 kg. Speed of the vehicle per hour: 5 km, 15 km, 25 km, 45 km. Now question number 1. How much mangoes will a bullock cart carry in 3 trips? Answer. Capacity of a bullock cart to carry in 1 trip is equal to 200 kilograms. Mangoes carried in 3 trips is equal to 200 kilograms into 3, that is equal to 600 kilograms. Question number 2. How much mangoes will a tractor carry in 5 trips? Answer is, capacity of a tractor to carry in one trip is equal to 1000 kilograms. Mangoes carried in 5 trips is equal to 1000 kilograms into 5, that is equal to 5000 kilograms. Question number 3. What distance will a tempo rickshaw travel in 4 hours? The answer, distance tempo rickshaw travel in 1 hour is equal to 15 km. Distance travel in 4 hours, that is equal to 15 km into 4, that is equal to 60 kilometers. Question number 4. What distance will a truck travel in 2 hours? The answer, distance a truck travel in 1 hour is equal to 45 kilometers. Distance truck travel in 2 hours, that is equal to 45 kilometers into 2 is equal to 90 kilometers. Question number 5. How much time will a bullock cart take to travel the distance of 70 kilometers? The answer, distance bullock cart travel in 1 hour is equal to 5 kilometers. Time will be taken to travel 70 kilometers is equal to 70 divided by 5, that is equal to 14 hours. Question number 6. How much time will a tractor take to travel the distance of 100 kilometers? Answer, distance a tractor travel in 1 hour is equal to 25 kilometers. Time will be taken to travel 100 kilometers is equal to 100 divided by 25 is equal to 4 hours. Question number 20. Sneha counted the number of vehicles passing by road. 2000 vehicles passed by in 2 hours. One half of the vehicles were cars, 1/4 of them were auto rickshaws, and the remaining were trucks. Find the number of vehicles of each type. Now solve this problem. Total number of vehicles is equal to 2000. Number of cars is equal to half, that is 1 upon 2 is equal to 2000 divided by 2, or 2000 upon 2 is equal to 1000. Now find the number of auto rickshaws. Total number of vehicles is equal to 2000. Number of auto rickshaws is equal to 1/4, that is 1 upon 4 is equal to 2000 divided by 4. Otherwise, 2000 upon 4, that is equal to 500. Now find the number of trucks. Total number of vehicles is equal to 2000. Total number of cars and auto rickshaws is equal to 1000 cars, 500 auto rickshaws, and total is 1500. Number of trucks. Total vehicles, that is equal to 2000 minus total cars and auto rickshaws, that is equal to 1500. The answer is 500. 2000 minus 1500 is equal to 500. Hence 20a. 150 vehicles passed by a village road in 2 hours. Out of these, 1/3 of the vehicles were scooters, 1/5 of them were bullock carts, and remaining were tractors. Then find the numbers of vehicles in each type. Now find the number of scooters. Total number of vehicles is equal to 150. Number of scooters is equal to 1/3, that is equal to 1 upon 3 is equal to 150 divided by 3, or 150 upon 3 is equal to 50. Now find the number of bullock carts. Total number of vehicles is equal to 150. Number of bullock carts is equal to 1/5, that is equal to 1 upon 5 is equal to 150 upon 5, that is 150 divided by 5. The answer is 30. So the number of bullock carts are 30. Find the number of tractors. Total number of vehicles is equal to 150. Total number of scooters and bullock carts is equal to 50 scooters and 30 bullock carts, that is equal to 80. Number of tractors 150, which is the total number of vehicle, and 80, which is the total number of scooters and bullock carts, is equal to 70. So the total number of tractors is equal to 70. Question number 21. Answer the following questions on the basis of the table given. Now look at the table. Type of mango, rate per kilogram. Badam, rupees 60. Totapuri, rupees 40. Hafus, that is Alfonso, rupees 50. Langado, rupees 70. Kesar is equal to rupees 150. Now the question number 1. Sudhaben buys 3 kilograms badam mango. How much amount does she pay? Answer is, cost of 1 kilogram badam mango is equal to rupees 60. Mango Sudhaben buys is equal to 3 kilograms. Amount Sudhaben pays rupees 60 into 3, that is equal to rupees 180. Number 2. Mayaben buys 5 kilograms Totapuri and Jayaben buys 4 kilograms Hafus mango. How much amount do they pay individually to the shopkeeper? Let's look what amount Mayaben pays. Cost of 1 kilogram Totapuri mango is equal to rupees 40. Mango Mayaben buys is equal to 5 kilograms. Amount Mayaben pays is equal to rupees 40 into 5, that is equal to rupees 200. Now let's look what amount Jayaben pays. Cost of 1 kilogram Hafus mango is equal to rupees 50. Mango Jayaben buys is equal to 4 kilograms. Amount Jayaben pays is equal to rupees 50 into 4, that is equal to rupees 200. So both of them pays rupees 200 individually to the shopkeeper. Question number 3. Rajendra Bhai buys 4 kilograms Langado mango and Narendra Bhai buys 2 kilogram Kesar mango. Who will pay more? How much? Now let's look into the answers. Cost of 1 kilogram Langado mango is equal to rupees 70. Mango Rajendra Bhai buys 4 kilograms. Cost of 4 kilograms Langado mango is equal to 70 into 4, that is rupees 280. Cost of 1 kilogram Kesar mango is equal to rupees 150. Mango Narendra Bhai buys is equal to 2 kilograms. Cost of 2 kilograms Kesar mango is equal to rupees 150 into 2, that is equal to rupees 300. Now let's look who pays more. Narendra Bhai pays more because amount Narendra Bhai pays more is equal to rupees 300 minus 280 is equal to rupees 20. Now question number 4. Shailesh Bhai buys 12 kilograms Kesar mango and gives a note of rupees 2000 to the shopkeeper. Then how much amount will the shopkeeper return to him? Now let's look into the answer. Cost of 1 kilogram Kesar mango is equal to rupees 150. Mango Shailesh Bhai buys is equal to 12 kilograms. Cost of 12 kilogram Kesar mango is equal to rupees 150 into 12, that is equal to 1800. Amount Shailesh Bhai gives is equal to rupees 2000. Amount the shopkeeper returns to Shailesh Bhai is equal to rupees 2000 minus rupees 1800, that is equal to rupees 200. Now question number 5. Dinesh Bhai has rupees 200. He buys Hafus mango from quarter of that amount and Kesar mango from the remaining amount. Then how much Hafus and Kesar does he buy? Let's go to the answer. Money Dinesh Bhai has is equal to rupees 200. Quarter, that is equal to 3 upon 4 of the amount, that is equal to 200 upon 4. Otherwise 200 divided by 4. So the answer is 50. The remaining amount is equal to rupees 200 minus rupees 50, that is equal to rupees 150. Therefore, he buys 1 kilogram Hafus mango which costed rupees 50 and 1 kilogram Kesar mango which costed rupees 150. Question number 6. Mahesh Bhai buys 3 kilograms Hafus mango, half kilogram Kesar mango and half kilogram Langadu mango. Then how much amount will he pay to the shopkeeper? Answer is cost of 3 kilogram Hafus mango, that is equal to rupees 50 into 3 is equal to rupees 150. Cost of half kilogram Kesar mango, which is 150 upon 2. Otherwise 150 divided by 2 is equal to rupees 75. Cost of half kilogram Langadu mango, that is equal to 70 upon 2. Otherwise 70 divided by 2 is equal to rupees 35. Amount to be paid is equal to 150 plus 75 plus 35, that is equal to 260 rupees.